Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can save our progress in F1 and 24. If you want to save your career, then most of the time you want to simply use the autosave mode. So if we open the settings, then over here we have save/load settings, and here you will find the autosave option, which can be enabled and disabled. Simple as that. However, you can also perform something that is called the mid-session save. So if I go to the career and open my driver career over here, then I should immediately go back to my practice, as you can see over here from the loading screen. And that is because I saved my progress during the session. So once the game loads my session, then you will see that I have the replay. So now this is how it looks like. I can simply close the replay, and now I am back where I saved my session. In order to do that, you want to pause the game, and then over here you have mid-session save. If you select it, then here you have the option to save and exit, or if you want to, you can also simply just save and continue. If you have a mid-session save, if you have done this before, then you can also load a previous one. So this is how we can pretty much save at any time. And as far as I know, we can also do that during the race, but just to make sure, I'm gonna take a look. Alright, so now I am during the race. I can pause the game, and as you can see, there is also the option to perform the mid-session save. And as you can see, I can just save and exit, and if I want to later on, I can return to my career mode and start in the middle of the same race and continue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.